Hello everyone in Blind Help Project community. My name is Oudai Vann. Today, I will teach you how to switch from Google Gemini back to Google Assistant. I believe that some of you may have a problem regarding Google Gemini, or some of you may be boring with Google Gemini and likely to use Google Assistant, don't know the way how to switch it back. This video is great for you. You have two ways to switch back to Google Assistant. The first way, you can switch directly by using Google application, and the second way, you can use Google Gemini application directly. In Google Gemini, you have two options to switch. The first way, you can go to account and settings and find the button switch to Google Assistant. And the last way, you can find in the settings tab, after you click on account and settings, digital assistant from Google. I will explain later. So let's begin. Now I'm on the Gemini application. I will do the video demonstration on Google Gemini application, make it easy process, and I will explain with my voice after the tutorial has been finished. So you navigate to find account and settings.
Account and settings. Switch to Google Assistant.
Yes, you can find the button switch to Google Assistant. Click in this.
Gemini. Choose your digital assistant from Google. Page 2 of 2.
Okay, so you can find Google Assistant here.
Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a voice-forward conversational helper you can use to get things done. Not selected.
Okay, click on that.
Switch to Google Assistant.
Okay, this is the prompt of the screen. Just read carefully.
Switch to Google Assistant. Google Assistant will respond through touch or if you use Hey Google. If web and app activity is turned on, data from your interactions with Google Assistant is saved to your Google account. You can review and delete these interactions from My Activity. Full stop. Learn more about how Google Assistant works with your data. Data saved in Gemini Apps Activity will not automatically be deleted, but you can review and delete at any time. Cancel.
Okay, you can have the button to cancel
Switch.
and the button switch. So I will switch.
One UI Home.
So the application is disappeared on my home screen automatically, like it has been deleted, and now I can interrupt with Google Assistant. So I will teach you other ways that you can change or switch back from Google Gemini to Google Assistant by using both of application, Google Gemini or official Google application. First of all, you need to find account and settings, and then go into the settings tab, find digital assistant from Google, and then you can change like this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, feel free to leave us a comment. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.